Hello, I'm Hilary from Jiggery Pokery Embroidery Kits. I'm going to show you how to do blanket stitch. You can see it here on one of the inner rings on the second oval shape on my Learn Embroidery sampler kit. Start at the bottom of the shape. As you work round, you'll find that you'll be moving the hoop like that so that you're always working this way up. You can see I've marked where the spokes of the stitch are, so you know exactly where to put the stitch and how to, what size to make the stitches. So pull your needle through and then go down to the bottom of the next spoke. And you can see with my left hand I'm holding the thread into a kind of loop, because the next thing you'll be doing is bringing your needle up on the inner rim of the circle. Pull your needle up and you'll see then that it's forming that shape. So again, hold your thread out of the way, put your needle back down at the bottom of the next spoke, bring the needle back on that inner circle, pull it through, and then that loop forms the blanket stitch. One more time, down to the bottom of the spoke, pull your thread through, up to the top and pull it through, and you work your way round the rest of the circle in the same way.